Some people aren't playing fair on the Bolt Report supporters group. There are referrals to Facebook to ban items and people that have done no wrong. There are requests to administrators to ban people who have only argued from their viewpoint and illustrated it. I accept some appallingly bad posts which are merely abusive and which I shouldn't were I to exercise taste. I want conversation and I want it to be rich, not the dumb abuse and venomous hatred some have. I was ashamed when I showed my new landlord the site. He is Muslim and a good person. His goodness does not mean I approve of a two-state solution for Israel or any of the many atrocities committed under the name Islam. But were I to string up my landlord, it would not address those issues either. I guess I just don't like haters. I love Daniel Katz's posts. The more I read from the ALA, the more I despise the ALA. For some at the moment, the sex party has more credibility. My name is David Daniel Ball, and I am the Conservative Voice. David Daniel Ball is author of History of the World in a Year by the Conservative Voice.